So there's a hummingbird right in front of my homemade hummingbird feeder. Cool. Alright. Now, but look at him. He's all fluffed up. It's freezing right now. I can barely talk. It's so cold. So, just wanted to take a little video of what they're calling a Arctic Blast or Arctic Storm here in Arizona. And yeah, it's freezing. It's supposed to be in the 20s, the low 20s tonight. And yeah, no, this isn't a Civil War reenactment scene here. This is my backyard. This is our citrus tree, and I just gave up, man. It's just too dang hard to cover these guys with this wind. It's a joke. But yeah, excuse the sniffles. It's freezing. Anyway, here's a garden though. We got that. That's bunkered down real good. But I'm afraid to look in there, to be honest with you. I don't know. Oh man, it's looking pretty good. All right, well, cross our fingers. But yeah, I got to cover them up. Take a look at the other side. Yeah, this is that's pathetic, right? I need more. I need bigger blankets. Those are sheets. I don't know. I raided the Goodwill. And hey, Amber, you get some sun. So let's look at this side. Oh, mackerel. What do we got here? Oh yeah. So it blew my fence, my little it blew my little fence down. But that's okay, we got an extra board here, plywood, and some brick. Basically we're just covering the cauliflower, which I don't think it bothers the cauliflower actually too much. I think he likes a little bit of a cold, but look how big you're getting, man. That's pretty good size. Pretty good size. Put that back down. But yeah, we're covering up the tomatoes and artichokes and other stuff. And then those are peppers. But this stuff's easy, you know. I made a little trellis a long time ago. A little frost on the cinder block. But yeah, we get these wires on this wall, so it's easy to string that up. This one, as you can see, not so much, you know. Wire stops here. I gotta continue it. But waiting for this bush, Cape honeysuckle here to grow up a little more. Take this down, put a wire back there where you can't see it too much. It'll look like these guys in no time. This Cape honeysuckle. But anyway, so the storm, Arctic Blast, man, yeah, it's coming true. I don't really put too much faith in the weatherman's forecast a lot of times, but this time, yeah, I'm freezing. So, yeah, I guess we'll end it with that. Or here, how about we'll end it with the hummingbird. I hope you're here tomorrow. Saw a picture on one of the local news sites. A hummingbird was frozen on some Christmas lights last frost or freeze. Last cold front. Alright, that's our sad Tangelo tree. Tangelo. Alright. See you when it's warm, I hope. Yeah, he likes that homemade Mexican Pepsi bottle hummingbird feeder. And that coil there is just an old rusted coil I found from a bed spring, some mattress out in the desert a long time ago. Hey, yeah, one other quick thing I just wanted to say with this freeze. We got this, I don't know if you can see this slight little trickle here coming out of our faucet here on the outside of our house. Yeah, you could wrap this. I heard them wrapping this, but you just get some water and keep it flowing. A little drip. It won't freeze, but yeah, it's a good thing we did. I don't know, does that come out on the camera? With ice. And that's from last night. So yeah, if we more than likely if we didn't have this pipe dripping, we could have had a pipe break. So just a little heads up. I don't know, maybe you knew it. A little pine cone cactus, spruce cactus. All right.